Hello guys, hope doing good. Today I'll show you how you can customize Apple Map. Also, I will show you how about the new feature on iOS 18. So if you're using iOS, I mean Apple Map, then you learning for me and you can stay with me. Otherwise, you can ignore. So first I go to Apple Map. So this is the Apple Map and there are many options like you can add home location or location. Also you can another location like for public transportation like that, if you want to pin in a specific place. All right, so like that, and if you click there, also you can pin many place, then save black guide, many type of feature you can here use from here. Also you can share my location like that. If I want to share, then I can share from here. Then mark my location. If I mark this location, my location, then I can mark. Also, this is my address showing current address. Then I can download. Okay. Also I can add note. Also guide. Also library. Also I can pin. So this is the map. This is the latest update. Looks nice. If you use in Google Maps on latest iOS, then you can get this all feature. All right. Also, I have many feature. If you use the Google Map, sorry, Apple Map, then you can understand many things. And if you have any problem, you can just ask me. Then I will try to replace as soon as possible. And thanks for the watching.